Number 1. This 1965 Cadillac Fleetwood sedan, priced at $2,900 in Caledonia, Wisconsin, features a unique custom chop-top design, likely modified in the 1990s. Although it's not currently running, the seller mentions that it ran recently. The interior requires significant attention, and the doors are missing windows. Despite these challenges, this Fleetwood offers potential as a winter project or could be used as a parts car for another build. Known for its luxury and style, the Cadillac Fleetwood has a rich history, and with some work, this one could become a standout restoration or an interesting display piece. Number 2. This 1978 Plymouth Volare, listed for $1,500 in Braham, Minnesota, has 38,219 miles and is described as starting, running, driving, and stopping. However, due to its old tires from the 1980s, the seller recommends trailering the car. With a clean title, this Volare presents a solid opportunity for a winter project. The seller notes that it wouldn't take much work to get it back on the road. Introduced in the mid-1970s, the Volare was known for its smooth ride and practicality, making it a popular choice for families. This classic could easily be revived with some attention. Number 3. Listed for $2,000 in Fort Riley, Kansas, this 1988 Dodge D150 regular cab long bed has 150,000 miles. The seller provides a straightforward description, beats walking, suggesting the truck is functional but may need some attention. Despite its basic condition, this D150 offers an affordable option for those looking for reliable transportation. Known for its rugged durability, the Dodge D150 was a popular choice in its time, offering a workhorse vehicle with a simple design. With a bit of care, this truck could continue serving as a dependable daily driver. Number 4. Listed for $3,200 in Cassopolis, Michigan, this 1978 Chevrolet C20 has 70,400 miles and is equipped with a 350 engine, 461 heads, and a 270 cam. The truck is described as clean and in good condition, offering a solid foundation for customization or restoration. With its robust build, the Chevrolet C20 was designed for heavy-duty work and is known for its durability and reliability. This particular model, with its upgraded engine components, provides both performance and potential for someone looking to enhance or restore a classic pickup. Number 5. Listed for $2,500 in Upper Marlboro, Maryland, this 1973 Buick Laab Limited sedan has 94,051 miles and features a running 455 engine. Described as a great restoration project, the car is currently drivable, making it an appealing option for enthusiasts. The seller is open to offers, suggesting a potential for a good deal on this classic vehicle. The Buick Laab, popular in the 1970s, is known for its spacious interior and smooth ride. This model's combination of classic styling and solid performance provides a great foundation for anyone looking to restore a vintage car. With some work, this Laab could shine on the road once more. Number 6. Listed for $2,800 in Princeton, Illinois, this 1983 Buick Electra Estate Wagon has 98,000 original miles and is a reliable driver that starts up easily. While it runs well, the vehicle requires some work, including a replacement for the driver's floor pan and a new alternator. The frame is solid, which is a significant plus for its age. However, due to its condition, it will need to be trailered for transport. The Buick Electra Estate Wagon is known for its spacious interior and comfort, making it an appealing choice for families or those looking for a classic vehicle with plenty of room. This model has the potential to become a great classic car with some restoration efforts. Number 7. This 1966 Ford Thunderbird, listed for $3,800 in Conowingo, Maryland, is a rust-free Arizona car that retains its original exhaust system. It runs and drives well, equipped with an all-new brake system, though it does require some tender loving care to bring it back to its prime. The seller is open to negotiating the price, making this Thunderbird an attractive option for anyone looking to take on a restoration project. The 1966 model is celebrated for its stylish design and luxurious features, appealing to classic car enthusiasts who appreciate its iconic look and smooth driving experience. With some dedicated work, this Thunderbird could become a standout classic on the road. Number 8. This 1978 Mercury Grand Marquee, available for $1,750 in Greensburg, Indiana, has been stored in a barn for the past 18 years. While the motor turns over, it will require some work to get back on the road. The seller is open to helping with loading the vehicle, making the process easier for potential buyers. This Grand Marquee is presented as a candidate for a derby car or a restoration project, appealing to enthusiasts looking for a classic vehicle to bring back to life. The 1978 model is known for its spacious interior and comfortable ride, making it a desirable choice for collectors and restorers alike. With flexibility on the price, this could be a great opportunity for someone seeking a project car. Number 9. This 1963 Chevrolet Impala sedan is listed for $3,750 in Greensboro, North Carolina, and has 63,000 miles on the odometer. While the car doesn't currently run, it was operational at the time of purchase, indicating potential for revival. The Impala boasts a solid foundation, making it an excellent project for someone with the time and resources to dedicate to its restoration. The 1963 model is particularly notable for its iconic design and has a strong following among classic car enthusiasts. With some effort, this classic Chevy could be transformed into a stunning vehicle, reflecting its heritage and appeal. Whether for personal enjoyment or as an investment, this Impala offers a promising opportunity for restoration. Number 10. This 1977 Chevrolet Cheyenne 1500 is available for $20,500 in Fort Payne, Alabama. While the truck runs, it does so roughly and requires new belts and some other repairs to ensure optimal performance. Despite its current condition, this Cheyenne has the potential to serve as a reliable work truck for someone willing to invest the time and effort into restoring it. The Cheyenne series, known for its durability and classic styling, has a dedicated following among truck enthusiasts. With some TLC, this truck could be transformed into a dependable vehicle, perfect for daily tasks or even as a classic restoration project. It represents an affordable entry point for anyone looking to dive into classic truck ownership.